Hey everyone, it's Shaunee, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Mocha Chunk Cookies. Let's get started. Okay, first you're going to want to combine 2.5 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to whisk it all together. Then you're just going to set this aside. Next you're going to dissolve 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of coffee liqueur. And you're just going to set this aside. Okay, next you're going to combine 1 cup of white sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed dark brown sugar. You're just going to mix that on medium speed until they're well combined. Next, you're going to take 1 cup of salted softened butter and add that into your sugars. I like to kind of chop my butter up before I put it in the bowl. And then you're just gonna mix until everything is combined and fluffy. Now you're going to add 3 eggs and your instant coffee into the mixture. Okay. Now you're going to mix this together till it's all combined. Crank it up a little bit maybe. Next you're going to chop 10 ounces of milk chocolate. Okay, now you are going to add your flour mixture and your chocolate chunks. Okay, and your chocolate chunks. Yum. And you're gonna wanna mix on a low speed for this. Cookie dough is all ready. We can put it on our cookie sheets. I like to use the baking stone kind of cookie sheets, but if you don't have a baking stone, you can just use a regular cookie sheet. And we'll take our cookie scoop here. And drop it on there. Chocolatey goodness. These smell so good. Okay, and you're gonna put these in the oven for 20 to 22 minutes. Okay, the cookies just came out of the oven. This recipe makes about 3 dozen. You're gonna wanna keep them on the cookie tray for about a couple minutes so they can cool a little bit. and then you can put them on your cookie rack.